Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Universe Jarvis. If you just watched the previous one, I am on a roll today, and I figured that I would separate these out so we can kind of have specific videos for specific things. So this is a second haul from Black Friday. Most of these are gifts. 2 of them are for me, but anyway. So I think I've done, maybe I have, maybe I haven't, I can't honestly remember, but I really got into the brand Chubbies. I don't know, I feel like I'm in that season of let me try other brands, and you know, I never really liked the short shorts, but I've kind of gotten to where I like the short shorts, but I like the chubby ones probably more than all the rest. So, they had a phenomenal Black Friday sale. They're also on Rakuten, and I keep plugging Rakuten. I need them to be a sponsor or something like that. Maybe I should write them. That's a good idea, right? So, went on there for Black Friday. They had, I didn't really need any pants. I didn't really need any shorts because I've got plenty of that stuff. So I kind of started looking at the loungewear. They actually have some really, really nice loungewear type stuff. And I've got some of their workout shorts. I got some pants, and I use that stuff to go to the gym in. It's really comfortable because I've got some with the liners in there. But these are not shorts. This is actually some comfy, like, around the house type stuff. You'll see the bag got torn. So this came. This is the bag. Looks like a sack, which is pretty funny considering it's mostly Christmas gifts. So it's actually already kind of torn on one side. So, all right. So 3 of these items are repeat things, so I'm only going to just open up one. And I think this is what I think. Yeah. Okay, so this is should be the robe. Oh, love it. They have the best robe. I'm just going to tell you guys. Like, it's such a like plush, kind of soft, fun, just living your best life type vibe. So this is like a galaxy pattern, and I have one with flamingos on it, but I thought this was really, really cool. I love the purples and the blues, and it probably tells us on here. Yeah, this is the Galactic Odyssey robe. So this bad boy, I want to say it retailed for probably, I want to say this is probably around 89 to 100 bucks. They had them for $20 during the Black Friday sale that they were having, and like I said, I absolutely love it. It's so plush. I mean, even the little lapel around there matches these accents. Like, it's a very, the word I'm looking for here is luxurious. It's a very luxurious feeling robe. So I got 3 of these, one of them for myself, and then I got the other thing that I'm going to dig down in here to get a Chubsy. I don't know if you guys know what those are. But I only spent 100 bucks. I mean, you can't beat that. I think I even had like a $5 off coupon from where I'd earned some rewards. So definitely jumped on that. And like, this is going to be something that, you know, I mean, you can throw this on in the summertime if the air conditioner's on. I mean, I wouldn't wear it outside. I wouldn't wear it in the heat. But, like, if it's kind of cool inside, just kind of, you know, bundle up right out the shower. And it says, Chubbies, the weekend has arrived. That's kind of what they put on their tag. So, like, I said, like, loving this. Loving everything about this robe. And it's just like the one that I had. I was a little worried when I ordered it that they might have changed something in how they made it. But it's pretty much identical. Feels like it's the same weight and everything. So, got that. I'm going to have to dig in here some because... Actually, I don't have to dig far. Cause, oh, wait a minute. Nope, another robe. This is what I was looking for. Okay. Oh, this is so freaking awesome. So, I don't know if you know what a Chubsy is, but a Chubsy is a onesie with a Chubbies spin on it. So instead of being your traditional, you know, full-length pant at the bottom, it's a short. And it's kind of an interesting concept when you think about it. And it's honestly just as warm as having a full-size one. It's just, you know, they're shorts. So matches the robe, which is another reason I had to have it, I think. So same pattern, pretty much. I do think this is really cool. It's got a little patch right there on the left breast that says weekend mission. That's really cute. So as you can see, the shorts down at the bottom, and I did a large because I looked at the one that I had and it was a large. I almost got an extra large, but I feel like a large is going to be perfectly fine because I did find that this was a little bit more oversized. I won't say oversized, but not like such a slim fit. This is a low pile version. They also have kind of the high pile. I think most of those are like your buffalo plaids, but this is perfectly fine for me. So, yeah, I don't know if you can see the zipper. So the zipper here, it's actually up under this. It's got this little snap thing, I think, to secure it. But the zipper actually, and I never really understand this, but they're cool, I guess. The tags it anyway. So the zipper actually goes all the way up the hood. So I mean, maybe we're zipping our face inside these. I'm not really sure. But it's fine. And let's see if they kept that other accent. They did. So the other thing that you have here at the bottom of your sleeve and the cuff, there is a little hole so you can put your thumb out of that. So this is exciting. I'm actually going to watch. Oh, I almost forgot. It blends in. But you've got a pocket on each side. It's not a pocket in the back, but it's pretty cool. They actually have these big, huge puffer ski suits that I saw they came out with this year like this, though. But it's exciting. I can't wait. I'm, like, loving this. I don't know if I want to save this for Christmas or don't want to wear it now. If I want to wear it now. Oh, that's the other thing I should point out because this will be more applicable to guys. So, zipper, right? It has a double zipper. So, there's also, if you need to get to the bathroom, you don't have to take the whole thing off. There's a zipper down at the bottom. So, that's fun. Because I had to re-up kind of my onesie game because I have some from years and years ago and they don't really fit as much or like I would like for them to fit. Because just like with my clothes, I like stuff to kind of be loose and comfortable. Maybe that comes with age. I don't know. But if it's tight, it ain't right. I don't want that. I want something nice and loose that I can move around. But anyhow, so that's it. There'll be probably a couple more videos. I actually have another box around that I want to show you guys. So I'll get to that. But in the meantime, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Comment. I like to comment with you guys and have conversations whenever possible. And until next time, Universe Jarvis, out.